It's morning in my place. I'm thinking what short video I'm going to upload. Okay. I remember something. Show me things from your bag. I'll try. What do I have here? Small items that found in my bag. Let me see. Just to have a short video to upload. Okay, this one is wallet or pouch. What do I have inside here? I have here puller. Some ladies know about this for hair, eyeliner. What else? ATM card, jacket. What else? IDs and more things. Olay. Another one. What else I have here? Nivea body cream. What else? Just to have something to upload for today in my short video. This one is Royal facial cream foundation. What else do I have here? Just having fun because it's break time here. What else? This one is SPF 45 sunscreen protection sunblock. What else do I have? How many things I have already? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What else do I have inside my bag? This one is scent. Scent. Perfume. What do I have here? Rexona for deodorant for my, to have good odor. What else? This one is lip shiner given to me from Qatar. My cousin had just come home. Just given this. What else do I have inside here? Oh, this one. Olive oil. Of course, for face. I think this also a hydrating liquid foundation for face. What else do I have inside my bag? Of course, trend notebook and some more. What else do I have? Lipstick and this one, sunscreen protection. Why do I almost have these things for body, for beauty items? Another one, I really didn't plan this one. I just remember what things do I have to make for my short video today. And of course, this one, my very favorite hair comb. So that I can use this to have finer looks of my hair. Maybe this is the last one I'm going to show. This is given to me from Hong Kong, from my sister. And I like this one because this is having two purposes. Used for headband or maybe for, I like this one especially when I'm traveling, just to protect my hair from mahangin ba sa labas. Okay, and last one. What else do I have here? Why do I have this one? Lighter. It's because the previous time I used this when inside my room there are many mosquitoes, and then I use this for my mosquito killer, repellent, so that the mosquitoes will fly away. Have a blessed day. Good morning to all. It's 10 a.m. in my place. Happy New Year and be safe, everyone. Enjoy YouTubing.